Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to Gino's Creative Cooking. Here I'm going to show you how to make this watermelon juice. Beat the summer with this watermelon juice. Here I'm going to make it with some fresh ginger, organic celery, and here is a seeded watermelon. Well, this watermelon is nice and sweet, and you know it's gonna make some good watermelon juice. It's gonna cool you down. Time to cool you down. Cool yourself with this watermelon juice. You know, Gino don't play. Yeah. Well, you're gonna cut it up any way you wanna cut it. Right? And I'm gonna be using the Breville juicer. This Breville juicer is the truth. It's so nice, so convenient, and it will make you some good juice. Whatever you make, there I am, starting to make it. The little bit that was left, I decided I'm gonna drain it. And after draining it, I usually get the bucket of the Breville juicer. To avoid cleaning too much, I put a little plastic in it. That way, when I'm done, I just throw all the garbage away. No cleaning. Here I'm putting it together. There is the on and off button. You're going to line everything up correctly. So if you have your Breville juicer, just giving you an idea and showing you how to put it together. Well, just make sure the cord is out of the way and you lock it up. Because if you don't lock it up, it will not start. The way they made this, it's so smart these days. This technology, but boy, this exactly will make you the juice you want.